Khablei Pibaro Shakathup KHUBOR Jungi Kadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentakas Ngigilong. Bliu Mintri Rangba Yakamek Can Care Kabukseri Ginong Pang Cancer. Yo District Council Court Kipat Ba Kathembri Boy Hanongpo. Laingut Kirangba VPP Kinyakren Halor Reservation Policy Bakasorkar. Batpen Banaya Ikajat KHUBOR na Mayrang Shillong. Badmintang in Pashiki KHUBOR Bakam Pinya. Umintri Rangba Kajylla Konrad Kisang Maula Play Pat Ba Kalai Puay to jymmang Yakala Sumar Banrat Dingkong Yakajing Pang Bampong Ne Cancer Hakajylla Kabakasorkar Kalajer Kerting da Kamek Can Ke. Yakajing Elang Play Yakanikala Sumar Cancer Mek Can Ke Lapalong Ha Ususotham Auditorium. Hakajing Kren Play Kumukong San Umintri Rangba Ulay Tuo Baka Meghalaya Kalong Kaway ni Kajylla Kari India Kabakanray Hakajing Pang Bampong. Dakajing Snodiaw ulay tu pagka East Khasinews District kawan baar hakari barok kaway nakajing bon bajing kanray jong cancer ha barok ki kardan rata jong ki breo kata naduk ki khanna ki samla ki rangpa ki longkami bat ki temen ki kro ulo ongru pagka sarkar kan yele mentaban wan ra kajing kala hak berkhat perdan jong ki paipa kata kalong ban penbiang kilat sumar nong pang naduk dang seng dang pun ka kemi hakpo haduk pakindal lech chatliu jing tep Karukom karukom bam, bat ki jingtere jingkta kini ki bor ki ba penlong yu beri ban kot ban kia ne ban pang ban chia ha ka jing Ulay tu ru ba sarkar kalawan ra e kalat ban tes ye ki beri ki bastang yo ikini ka jingpang. Ka jinglap kloy ikini ka jingpang kalong ka daw ban penkot ye kinong pang ha ka por ka babiang. Usampat Kumar Principal Secretary ulaong ha ka jingkren jong u babon ki pai pa kim tip ba ki don kilat kilinti ban wat banya ha ka por bastang kem kani ka jingpang ha ka met ubrio. Uloong kani ka di kalat bat kabukser nak benta kinong pang cancer kadon minta hakani ka kala bat ki deban chim kabu yaka.
1, 2, 3.
May I now welcome Mr. Shillong, a cancer survivor who got treated in the year 2018 in our own Civil Hospital Oncology Department, to share his experience so that it becomes an example for the people who may or may get affected, to take courage and lessons from them to move forward.
And I was advised by so many people that I should go outside. Then I got to thinking, why should I go outside when we can do the treatment here? Cheaper and good. But the only thing about cancer is you can survive it first thing by taking care of yourself. What Mr. Kumar has rightly said, that being school children, please spend your time in studying to go up in the world, but don't start crisis. That is the first advice I would like to give you. The second thing is, please don't be afraid to come forward and get the treatment which is being provided by the government. The government has taken so much pain to provide treatment for us. Please take advantage of that.
People, you should be aware. You know how many, children are smoking in the state? Anybody can guess? Between, if I ask this question, between, children below 18 years, it's about 35%. So smoking is one of the important cause for cancer. So, in fact, taking that one, I think at the state government, I think you all aware, it's a very, it has taken this work, I think most of you are aware. First, we would like to ban tobacco in education institutions. So it's already there is an act, but it is not being implemented. So Meghalaya state has started this work, and it has been working for last 2 years. Today, almost all the schools, this program is going on, and this year we got WHO award, World Health Organization award, for saying no to tobacco. So that's a great achievement, I'm telling you. This is all possible because of wherever we go. In fact, very often we go to the field visits. In fact, our Honorable Chief Minister is something that he asked all the officers that at least once in a month, state level officers should go to the field visit. So, but we go at least once in a 2 weeks. When we go to the field visits, we would like to go for a massive screening through this particular project, first cancer care project. The idea is that go to house, identify who are the high risk candidates, identify them. Then go if they are found to be high risk, then they will be going for some checkups. And if the checkups are actually, if they confirm, then immediately they could go for the treatment. So this is a very, very important task, and this is going to happen to the entire East Khasi Hills district. This is a very, very important, because once it is done, then we will also, people also, the way the tobacco, most of the young people are now saying no to tobacco, and we got WHO award, World Health Organization award. Similarly, we also, I think most of the people, whatever the causes for cancer, they will start dealing with it. I would like to tell you, one of the cancer, as I said, causes for cancer is tobacco consumption. There is another thing, if the consumption of betel nut. So this is also one of the reasons for esophagus cancer. So especially the cancer happens in the throat. So the
willpower to be able to fight whatever comes in front of us. We need to accept things that yes, there is a problem. And when we accept the problem, we start working towards finding a solution to it. We have the will to move forward, the determination to move forward, and bring the change that we need to bring. And what I've told you, like as I said, in the last 5 years, we have seen systematically, it's not just about, as I said, a plan. It is also followed up with action. Doubling a budget of a department in 5 years is not a joke. You can ask any state government. One of the highest spenders, in fact, when it comes to the states, that means if I minus the union territories, because union territories, it's not that we're just talking and we just have it on paper. I'm happy to inform you that in the last 5 years, the budget of health for Meghalaya has doubled. So we were at 800 crores, spending roughly about 800 plus minus, about 5 years back. Today we are spending close to 1600 crores for health. So it's not that we're just creating policies and giving speech and all. Things are happening on the ground. We are today one of the fourth highest in terms of percentage spent on health. Almost 8% of our budget goes to health. It's a huge commitment from our government. And that's the reason why I thought that I should take you along this journey of 5 years of how different challenges have been, taken up. Meghalaya has been in a very, very bad position when it came to health indices in many, many areas. Just for example, I'll give you on maternal mortality rate. Mothers, again, is a great initiative by the department and with Apollo to be able to really make a difference. Friends, we have to realize that a large part of health comes from lifestyle, ensuring that we're able to detect early. It's not just cancer, but all other forms of diseases that you have. A lot of it is related to lifestyle diseases. And hence, our approach also is changing in that line. We're trying to ensure that we're able to implement and improve the overall lifestyle of individuals so that we're able to make a change in the overall health scenario. And this particular program, coming to this program, why this is so important, I've already told you, but I must take this opportunity to urge our citizens, especially from East Khasi Hills, this is where the pilot project starts, that we need to take this seriously. And as is mentioned by Mr. Sampath Kumar, 80% probability is there that if cancer is detected early, it is curable. 80% of the cases are curable. And hence it is absolutely necessary that this screening must take place. Why also this program is important is that we realize that the more we talk about this, absolutely necessary that this screening must take place. Why also this program is important is that we realize that the more we talk about this, it may be an uncomfortable subject, but the more we talk about it, the more awareness comes in. The more awareness that comes in, then people start realizing, I better stop doing this, I better stop eating this, I better not do this anymore, I better exercise. So a kind of a psychological impact is there on the society to start becoming aware of the different things that you should do or you should not do. And that's also one of the objectives of this program, that ultimately there must be awareness, there must be acceptability, and there must be a program that we should take forward to ensure that we are able to save lives. And the kind of technology that is being used in this entire program, I must thank Apollo, I must thank all the other technology partners. I'm told that there are some technology partners from abroad also, like some Israeli technology is also involved in this, where we are using the early detection programs. So these are very high-end programs. I'm told that different kind of artificial intelligence programs are being used, and this may be one of the first in the country where this kind of program is being done. So hence, it's not just a simple screening, it's technically very, very advanced.
Great faith in this institution to take the screening program, which is at the pilot stage in East Khasinews, to a good result so that we may know and the state of Meghalaya may be prepared to attend to this killer disease that has become a household name in almost all of our homes. Honorable Chief Minister, kindly allow me to speak in Khasi so that we can cut a piece of the program. Kajing temu kajong sarkar kalong bet tang kaway. Ngingim la. Ka sarkar marway kanumla ban manlam ya kajing kala. Lada klemdon kajing yaskong thulang. Kajing ya betin kiti lang. Mat kajing ya train ringkat lang. Jong ginong song snong. Ban ped. Bangi kum ka sarkar. Pat mapi kum ginong song snong. Ngiyo ya kata kajing suk mensim papiru piyo ya kacing im ka babit ka babyang mangi ka sarkar gin pen kre ya kata kalaway kaban manlam ya kata kasyong hakishnong kitaw kabala banlong kabadan quality laningin deal no ya kini kijingpang kibalarat ya kibapon ki yang kisem bat kami kijingpang pat kibe kijingpang kibaladangim ya betin ketilang ban ya keren ya kani lese kanang kenrei bat kanang penjenjar ya kilong yeng kibadan haki communities bat kishno kitau kijongi haba pilek na kani ka program pira ya kaway ka message bato ya kabang itip baka cancer kalalong kung ko biyong kli haki yung gisem kijongi hatola ne emmo mangin detect lanengin lap ya kani kajingpang nado baka sedang banwan bansyong haki met kipat jongi ka cancer ngila ban penjem ka cancer kalong kajingpang kabalada pila la dang kam kloy la banrat yaka la yakita ki bapang cancer bakin im ya kajing im kablong normal kumbapios ngaw na iba mantan kajing kali kalong hato kajala Meghalaya kaladon le em yaki hospital ba ki bala
Ubat TW Khan CM ke KHEDC hakalai puai terigu jymmang ulapli ke District Council Court jong ke KHEDC hanong po Riboy District. Kajing pli ke ni ke District Council Court hanong po kalong benang penjan ni kipat pa ke bede bet ki kam mukot duma hakashri jong ke District Council bat ban pensuk ki kipat pa ke lek kawan ban penbiang ki jingdon kam jengki hakaliang ban yo ki birth certificate bat ki we ki dulir no office ke District Council. Hakani ke sengi play ke District Council Court nong Port Branch nalor ubat TW Khan la don lang ban saki de ubat lamprang bela u chairman ke District Council ubat Tebor Pathau EM Building Congress Mary Carpuri EM Market Jambor War EM Ilaka ba Victor Rani EM Arts and Culture ba Balajit Rani MDC ke nong Port bat ubat S Khars Imle Judge jong ke District Council bat kiwe ki rang ba bat kinong lam shnong ka than nong Port.
Colleagues kijong i-chairman juga council, i-judge, magistrate, pat baro kibadan ng Singapore ngan kap euni ribbon kung kadak jang kecing play ya kani kakut kejongi hangni apo nokpo.
Priang gini jeng ai soba Angkar paru ya ba Tebor nentang angkar par ya iba
Nga kwa ban kren syai hang ni bana kaliang ke jongi ke council nginom syong klikti nginom ailan baya kani ka bor ka bangingidon bangindu no Henry bangidang penklay na gaway ka por siya gaway ka por ngangay ba ka jingdon jong kani ka kut hang ni kan ay ka jing syakri ya kipat ba ki jongi ki badon kam kung malapan batay man na nadu ki birth certificate nadu ki mokot dama ki bede hapadeng parariulum bat ngaku aru ban ai gani ka message ya ki bor let's say ki bede na kawe ki kum naka police bagi day ban sutu baka trial hawe day bat ki tribal case para tribal day ban refer siya ki district council court. Ban angay tu bakal ni kajing don cukup kuat kanyarap. Ban I come I jam ya ki lawyer ki jungi ki samla ki jungi ki babun menta hakan ni kathan ki jungi le se hakan ni ka Riboy district ki bla pendap ya ki jing puli ki jungki ha ka an. Le se kan island I come I jam ki haka bakin yo banirop ikinong sino kani kalong kabanta ka mga kwa ban kren haka jinga day bat kani ka kod habay day bat kani ka office pat kajingbu jungi ya kani ka branch hang ni hapo nong po ngisutu ba kakam kabakongsan kabakile menta kalong haka jinga day bat ka professional tax kumno ban lum ya kani ka tax na ki briw ki baday ban siwi kani den renga kwa ban ong ya fi haka ni ka por ba nakaliang ka council kadonru ya ka jing temu ba ka jing perkhat ban nang pen poiru ya ki weipat kilat lani ki department kenang bakan long ka jing suk na ka benta ki pat ba ban akwa ban share bat fi hang ni ban nakaliang ni ka isi kum hitep ngilade pan pas ya kani ka land bill ka jungi bat lengba kani ka bill lengkot ngakwa ban patay bakala ailat ya ki pat ba naki ya ki chaka ki puta ki jung po hoy ngila establish ya ka haka snem arhajar apuar hadin bangilayo bantung ya i magistrate ikong warjuri hang ni hapo nong po but kajing trikam kalaya henreng isukumen ba menta kasipat nginang kuan ban pen scam shu officially ya kajing don jo kani ka kut hakani ka Riboy district hi borok kowe kumbala krenda i judge kai ka function lani kai kajing tu jo kani ka kut kalong banwan ra khamjan syakipat ba ya ka kam bishar khada katkum ka administration of justice kalong ba ngi hapo upod usam jong ka schedule area ngidon ya kini kiyeng bishar omday tang ki district court henry nga kwa ban pen kenmau fi yang ni baka bishar ka khadar hangi ukhasi kade nadu kidobosno ngidon ni kita ki village court kiba kaladei ka por ba ki shnong kide ya kaban penthamai kiladei ban pen kim ya kini ki village court kibangi ngidon nangta ngidon ru ya ki additional subordinate court lengba ki kli nong sensyar ki jungi ki balongkum ki nong bishar hagini ki court bat kabalai ngidon ya ki district court ki bangidon ni ki judge bat ki magistrate ki jungi ngatrai pia kan mau bahagas nem ka baladap kaladon ka jingki win hakabana kaliang ka sorkar kala penmi ya ka notification ban pentri kamno ya ka CRPC hapo ka state Meghalaya Brokaway kay ka jing snow ka jungi ha ka to por kalong bad lengba kani ka notification bayo kibor jungi ki district court district council court kindu borno tenrei hadin ba ngilai kendu bat ke sorkar lengba menteri rakba nakapor sa kapor lapan sutu ingi bakani ka notification kan nom kta ya kibor jong kikut kibangingi don lengba ka district council
bishar sya kipajba bat yakni lamuk na kawi kapor si kawi pat nrekam urlong de tat hadu kan ka executive committee ka pamenta hapo kajing yalam jong iba titos kain kala urlong kan kajing angnot na kaliang jonga kumunong bishar juga dis council nomor nadu ki border asam ne thain boy bat kiwi ki jaka nadu khap garo chathain was ki habanwan hadu Shillong habadon ki jingya kerja don ki case ki aka borokai kani kala penjenjar mardon kapor hakaba ki pajba aba ki wan hadu Shillong ki haban submit kumba armit ki wan shwa simit nang ta haka singi kepala syai kadai ka singi kepada ka case ke jongki nangta hadu kumla chisngi pat kir salit pai ke jinglut ke bejur kumta abang yo I ke dika jing ilamo sya ka isi bat nga ai khoblai kerpang ya ke dika isi ke bamantah ke bakila sngap ya ke jing kerpat na kaleng jongi bat lapun urlong ya kene bat ke jing thu jong kane ke ba beli kene ka kot hang ne po nong po kalong ban panjan ya phi ki pajba baro khot na kane ka than boy omdon kam sho bandawan hadu ai Shillong manta kala don hang ne kino ki jing ke ba phi ya kendo ke bot hang ne philala ban salt ye ki bat phila ban ai ya kino ki jing mudui ki jong phi khnang ba ka kashri kanyo ban ai ka rai ka ba dai katkum ka jing ibet na kalyang jok ka kashri te kani kalalong shisha maujam ubala ban ong ban wanra ya kata ka jing bishar syaki pajba kan khamjan yaki ban panjan ya kani ka jing bishar syaki pajba abrokhat Piki kam ke ka district council court hang ne hanong po ke la ban trei kalong ladadon kino ki jing ye ka ja haki khendau ki siap hapdeng jong ki tribal phila banwan ha kane ka kashri bat kane ka kashri kala ban ai ya karai nangta ladadon kino ki jing ye ka ja ha ka jing ye dai bat ki shibo manta ha ka family ulok uphetno nakalok ki khon ki don kam ye ka baibam kani ka kashri ka don ka jurisdiction bakila bat try ye ki bakum kita kebut nam ta ki maintenance case lada don kino ki bat don kam don kam syuk bandawan hadu Shillong wan bat pilala ban yo ya ka hok ka jong phi borok khot ki pajba jong gene ka than riboy hi borok koi nang ta lada don kino ki case kum kini ki criminal case ki JR case bat ki wei ki bat dai na kini ki than boy borok khot manta na Shillong ila transfer lut chene namar ini magistrate ibadon hang ne idai qualified magistrate ibal abyang baha ka experience ka practical experience ka jong I nang ta kum juru layo ru ka judicial training ha ka ba ka high court ka badon burom ka jong I kala ai ya kan ka lat ha ka ba kilayo iban late training hapo judicial academy hapo Shillong bat kilalong qualified baha kumta unon kam shu ban ong banda artatin da kumoi pat kilalong kaju kum kiwai ki court kilong atpar bat ki district court bat kiwai like no tang kawai kalong ba ka district court jongi kalong ban shim ye ki case ke bedai tang hapdeng jongki tribal ladala involved kinon tribal ngimla ban shim nang ta shishu kum kini ki birth certificate ki bolong ki issue ki ba jur bha hakini ki sngi ki ba manta hangne lala ban one file bat kilala ban shim hangne umunan kam banalej hadu Shillong namar blai mental adon hangne kakam kala ya checkmat bat kat kabangi nga presyang ban kali na ki lawyer habaki wan ban file ki birth certificate hangne ki ong kloy baha banyo na kani ka kashri tenga so kamen shikade namar ba ngilayo menta I magistrate laijong bandon hangne like no stangi ki appeal te haban lej hepo Shillong appeal kam da dai adu kata ka ba pihaban lej man katari ka badai namar ba umdon kam ban shim evidence umdon kam issue tang plidar wala ban ya site na kapta ki case ki jong phi ki pajba barokhat ten roi tang kawi ka jing de ko kalong hangne mar hadu menta kalong impat bihang ki staff ngidon kam lakum no iwe bench stand nang tala dayo iwe computer operator ban type iki judgment iki order nang tala no iwe pion ban attend na kapta I magistrate jungi nang ta lakum no cleaner banyo ban pun khoj mo banyo ban maintain ye kaneka building kuma kalong menta kini ki staff kilong basic needs kabangi don kam hakajing siapan penbiang
Hakajan meet lai pui terik jymmang ke sorkar jylla ling ba ke core committee bala klit ke kong amprin ling do kala khot yakren ye ke kinhun jong ba arden halor ke jing dawaban penkelai reservation policy. Kini ke jing khot ke sorkar ke hadin bo ba arden ubala shong bat thia shat ngan haying dara hapalau ke additional secretariat la kendai sngi minta. Nakaliang ke kinhun jong ke VPP la mi khmat do ba Bright Star Well Marbanyang MLA ke Maulai constituency uba bat skem marbo upadya ni spokesperson jong ke seng VPP bat u Dr. Rick Sinken General Secretary jong ke ni ke seng sain perthai. Kat ba nakaliang jong ba arden ularai bandang shong shat ngan haying dara tak haduk ba ke sorkar kan rai bat penkela ban penjanai reservation policy ke bela terikam mentalasan paus nyamtang.
Andi menteri pangkajingtho kadai alor kata wei pat kebentak anai pi kebening kong hakani ke mentan ke jingela kalau dia kerai baru ba ingin wes bakal ke komiti kan sebab syarikat sarkar dan konstitusi ya kata ke expert committee on reservation policy kata kebening kong nang tu apa hakabede kata ki ong nata ka jingko ni ba ndala de pantung ya ka expert committee kata ka expert committee kan sapan kan yaki jingmot na ki party ba fair ba kiwi os bi don banta bo ban ai yaki ban ai jingmot sakne ka expert committee ban pa yaki ki views ke damki sakne ka expert committee kani ga jing ai jingmot ban thau exting Kadai ke Voice of the People Party hi, kalau sedang dia kata, ban ai jemut, adien kecibun kejingata, kiweiru, mulut dia soto, ba don kam hi ban. Kamu nak ni ke komiti, saya kena menguatkan voice secara kom. Kumba ni kumba parti nak kuaskan ni kong awai ke sarkar. Bahkan pun bahkan expert committee agaban pet konflik ya kami ke reservation policy kabangi bahkan don ke jingduma bahkan jingduko akan kita hati ke jinglang dari nanggat untuk mentan rai kalong bahkan dua committee dan ong syarikat sarkar bantung ke expert committee ban pet alor jong kami ke reservation policy kata kedai rai keba komiti mentan kasih.
Hadin. Kalau kita tempau house yang arpo apa sang ya ke revolution ya dalam kali. Yang revolution tu macam jeki pat ba ka ba try banten komo lalu banten dek ya dari bagi kecak dari kosi. Taan nomor kata kena bagani kanang try. Pesuhu bagani kejilek tempat kut tak hadu ba niyo priang ya ke jingtho ka ba shine la sarkar ba kin constitute ya kata ke expert committee ban review dan dia pet benya ban pertama pa ya kata ke reservation policy ngat tuan bandang syakhitom nangalarai ni ukasi ka ba priang ya ke jing ya kan na party ya rai juga party bangan sedang ia kali ke indefinite hunger strike. Bana balarai ngalarai. Bangan numpai tak haru. Baga sarkar kada kongo kan review ia kali ke reservation policy. Nam perhat tandang kumlo berkot kekian kerja. Nam perhat kaya ke banjai. Tamang nam ni balik pasi ubah syaharan. Nomor kebetulan joki kipata. Kipata kiri kibalewan manai kejingkersan nasokanai kubri sih nagadolo kejawab baru. Bapiwan manai mesir, bapiwan manai kejingkersan. Kalau hari ini di prasni kipata kela sendran yang daki spas pangut dengan syukur patang kan ni. Minta hari ini kimatkan tangkap tu kan mut ki volunteer. Kenapa kan ini cakapkan kamu kerja ni bangan kami apa? Tapi betul yang hari ini kisi piot yang ngomong ni apa? Mereka Nade greu ubatang pa kinyat aliosno. Apalagi jimbun jo pat pa nalashmun bet yeledi. Te khnang bangan kami othe abha. Kamle wanum salut kiran di sama katugani. Kiban sunwani. Kinong tumi, kinong pa, de phashi. Penja khat yeledi. Namar ni up satang ya kata notification. Ni up satang ya kata. Tenelar ka sarkar ka keladin. Yen hap banmi upat ba barok lengkel. Ta sarkar keladin banyuri. Ya galinti ka bangi jit. Lalu kesni ka banikong ngim jit ban penwit. Ya no. Nasang ya ka indefinite hunger strike. Nanti the main secretary. Tanggung ka dak jong ka jingsang. But ni lakran shy bakung ki nong nikmat ki badon ni jiget li nginu penwit ya no. Minit ni wan ban kadre amok shy. Kamar nitet bangidon ki pat ba nong kersan tekilat. Ngin sin jiet kanong bani nipat ba bani keto ya ke secretary. Ni kan jiet ya ka galeti. Ni jiet ni galeti ba jai. Te ngangit mga soka. Ngangit pakita ginong nikmat ko jing. Ibadon na gapor. Kin smutu. Bakit nama balik ke Islam, bakal borjong pakar. Kemudian terpilih, kemudian terpulang ini baru. Malaysia kasih kebanginyo ia notification, nyesai, kejikran, sakindiat hak tugas ini. But nyendai bangkelat, mo, sam bersispak kasan, kapan mau ini. Banginde machin ko purong haladi. Om hangi, atrai, om hangi. Hindi wala ko jong kurting. So ay, kajiro bakla purong. Nagata, yen kuwa machin ko purong. Drengi kuwa baga purong baro kanit showble. Bat siya hitipat ba, kita ay, kajing kasyan. Iglay ito puyi baro, iglay shibon, iglay.
Kasing Bahalang New Trip Echik National Movement HANM East and West Khasinews District hakalai pauterik jymmang kalapin banapat ba ban penlong yang jingyat kejat pat ba naduk mairang syarut Shillong syaka jaka syak tengah uba Arden hakasngi khatdu jymmang. Kani kasing Bahalang kala ai kajing kershan bor ba kajing lek jong ba Arden ban yadai kala wei jing kilong din bandang wan ban yo ekabha yo kam yo jam ka marsyak bat kiwei pat kiriulom ka Meghalaya. Kinongilam kini keseng kila kentui kipat ba ban mi badan bat pen kre elade banyat kejat naduk mairang Shillong ban ai men sim yo ba Arden haka jingele jong una kabentaki kun samla ka peteng banwan. Hene kesengi kalai puai terik jymmang haka jingyat kejat jongki marba poi hakmat ke kerdop yeng sau emily ka mairang constituency ba met ba lingdo nakaliang jong keseng kala yeng shwa shipang ban net kentui ba met ba lingdo obadeiru presiden rang ba keseng UDP ban kren ya kejing shisha halor reservation policy.
Da ban penpau bat ban ai kecing kersan yau nongelam ka VPP u ba Aden basaya moit na kaliang kaseng hanya trap achik National Movement HANM Eastern West Khasinews District hene ka step jong kalai poetry u jymmang arpo lai klayami pat ba ban yai kejat nadu na mairang syadu Shillong ha kene ka step ka seng harangkat kecing perta penrem ya ke MDA government kilayami pat ba ban yai kejat nadu na mod tirot mission mairang kapan penkut hadu kajaka syak tengan uba Arden ha additional secretary Shillong bat ia kini kejinyat layanam khamat dau presiden jong kaseng uba artis rentatiang harangkat ki dekot jong kaseng bat katto kadengut ki semla na kadai kathan
mentah nagaliang ka H&M kumbangila konvin kumlawa batay lumanin ba ngayon hadin ba nagaliang ni kinong konvin naglem yo kun sama jong ka district Boroway compare ya gini kigi baro mar ka jikun jungi ka day bet nakadaw ba jikun samla kam district Boroway mar balay na mar ba kisama jungi kiliyo ihid lagi jong hikmat ba nakadagba jong ki kajing ki jong ba Arden tang liang ni kum kaseng mentahi ngin mi no nang ne ban starting ban ya jak kerja ban poi duk Shillong te kemot ba bom la ya churu bom la ya ki kali ginong bot kindon bat kinong bot nalenti kinong join ro kin babon kin sadon ki babot ban nagarpat ya ka polis batman la dagadon lo se ba kadai ban pelaj lem ki kali ka tuane la dadon request ki menin ngalak lek ban dia kendu ya audisi hendrai ban ya keren habidai na kadawa am tasngi hendrai na kaliang ju kelam ladot tangi ngilak yaj no laga naga audisi department hendrai hakajikan musim jogi samla bombase ni haptom ya gai kaba buat sokar penjari tingino ngim super tementa ngin sedang no kumne hi namar ba kre ngin sedang nungkong pun kejak bendriu ni ba ngin bu sa ya kajin duai banten mau sa rumbu nang thau knang ba kajinya jengti jungi nang ne sate nang ba kan ublen mu thau un ker unda yangi ibayat batan isa ya kata jing trang jungi ban yo no ya ka hok jong ikun samla jungi ngakarpat ba ya umale prom jungi hande ngilile kade ke distrik ka batmai ba ngakarpat ba unle no knang ba kita ki samla wat kawan jam ki jongi ke pron distrik bakin yo ban thet ki kam ki jing don kam jing kun samla ki jongi dengan ngakarpat ba nginyanya daga buram do kor na stay om da kano da ka jing sukya mesim om da kano ka badon semua do kamta ngeleng kaseng ngeleng aku noilam ngakarpat ba dikot jingi ru ki menyat da kata daga buram na stay nang ba ki pateng tuan jungir timbut yang iki ngelam nang ne naduk ne kasingi ba timbut dinjat mentaka singi don hang ne hau ne mot kerseng balai sedang nang ne mai ken mau iki dinjat jung naduk por munsa bola pelaj lut im haduk kan ne tadeh lono rem ni sedang ne khla ka wat jung kari bat ni ngin but iki dinjat jung knang ba kapateng jungi kansuk din habot dengar pat iwe samla krep begin yak nang te ba unai ya kejing duai ban ker benda yangi haduk benda poisuk sajaga sapkan uba arda
Hakawai kerinsan pen isap thei bhabrio bala peniyat da Gita Gurung lapin kutno Siliguri North Bengal Dance Academy Bagdogra haka arpo pratar gu jymmang arjar arpulai kajunu rabaha ka bana Shillong kelawan haka kerdan beningkong haka moms category Habai kren bakadon Bosco Media Network kini kalong kami kalaong bakadap da kajing sngo kemen bamla syuban batai bakala job ika thong bakala thrang naduk kipor bakadang samla Kajunu kalay thuru bakan poi syakatiga thong kalayat ling babun kijing naduk kajing bishar benya ika sur kren jongka bala pelong asor Shillong hau banaya yong mentau snap
हेलो नमस्कार मैं जुनू राभा हूँ और मैं असम से हूँ मैं 91 में शिलोंग में आई और यहाँ पे बहुत साल रहा अभी रिसेंटली यहाँ पे ऑडिशन हुआ था मॉडलिंग का तो मैं मॉडलिंग में सिलेक्ट हो गई सिलेक्ट होने का बाद मुझे गीता गुरुंग ने सिलीगुड़ी में रखा है फाइनल तो हम लोग वहाँ पे गया फाइनल करने के लिए तो फाइनल में हम लोग 35 कंटेस्टेंट था तो वहाँ से मैं विनर होके आई जीत के आई मुझे फर्स्ट मिला और मैं रखा है ये स्पेशली मॉम्स के लिए मॉम लोग के लिए जो मम्मी लोग को भी अंदर में होता है कि करने के लिए तो वो लोग कर नहीं पाता है तो मैं चाहती हूँ सब लोग मॉम लोग आइए मम्मी लोग आइए आके ये पार्टिसिपेट आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं तो करिए तो गीता मैम ने रखा हम मम्मी लोग के लिए तो आइए प्लीज़ मम्मी लोग के लिए क्या करिए ये मॉडलिंग भी है डांसिंग भी आप लोग को जो पसंद है लाइफ में कुछ करना चाहते हो तो आप लोग यहाँ पे आके कर सकते हैं और मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि मुझे विनर हुआ मैं फर्स्ट टाइम में गया था मॉडलिंग करने के लिए और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मैं सपना भी था कि मेरे लिए भी कोई तालियां बजाए और मुझे वो तालियां मिल गया जो मैं सोच रही थी जो छोटा से कर नहीं पाया या जब लड़की का टाइम में नहीं कर पाया और जब मैं मम्मी बना तब मैं ये ये मैंने करके दिखाया, सबको दिखाया। तो मैं चाहती हूँ मॉम्स लोग भी प्लीज़ आइए यहाँ पे, और थैंक यू गीता मैम जो हम लोग को ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया आपने, और मॉम्स लोग को भी मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग भी आइए यहाँ पे आके कीजिए। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
Bat dak itu ki khubor ngila poisha kapakut tat hadu beng desem yang kebleish pon.